dito guys. Yung mga may kotse. Ako naman walang kotse kaya walang garage. So ayan. So this is the lot of dates guys, you see. Mga dates yan. Yung ba may flowers na. So kagabi guys, pumunta kami dito ng Sanko. Namili. Bumili kami dito kagabi ng anak ko kasi late na kaming lumabas ng hospital. And then bumaba kami dito kagabi guys dito kami bumaba kagabi guys ng Sanko galing ng hospital. And then bumili kami dito ng food. And then yung pharmacy doon naman nung binili namin. Bumili kami ng gamot. Ay no, bumili nilabas kasi free naman yung gamot guys. So far so good naman na yung anak ko. Wala na siyang fever. Uy! Sisi Anusri, thank you so much. Happy walking. Thank you so much, Sisi. Oh, thank you so much for the blessing, Sisi Anusri. You know, I have my charity group in the Philippines, Sisi Anusri. I am going to upload the latest video later on. If they finish to distribute the food packs. So your support to my channel is your donations to my charity group in the Philippines, guys. So to those who don't know yet, I have my YouTube channel is intended for helping other people, guys, especially the seniors and people with discapacities. So ayan, I am avoiding to take videos of the plate numbers, guys. Lori, Sisi, Katya, Sisi, Kaukaw. Sis Katya, Sisi, Kaukaw, Kaukaw. Ay, naku. Happy Kaukaw. My God. Ano ba yan? Sis Katya, Sisi, Kaukaw ka na. Ayan, ang gaganda ng mga pantalon, guys. Ayan. Yan yung usong-uso, sis Lori, oh. Para hindi magkita yung mga varicose veins. wag na ng Katya. Sis Born, ayan. Sis Born, mag-walking muna ako kasi nakakasawa yung mga yung mga LS code sa bahay namin. So ayan, wala po akong cellphone holder, wala akong selfie stick. So my video is jumping like a jumping rope. So ayan. You see that, guys? You see that wall? That was a castle before. So ayan, wala na siya, guys. So that is a part of the ruins. So yan po yung bus papunta ng Castellon. Ayan po yung kinukuha namin pupunta ng Castellon, guys. I don't know how many minutes is now. So it's already 10 minutes. Born Sisi. Shout out all from Sis Born. Sis Kat. Ayan. Sorry guys if I cannot read all your comments. I don't have my eyeglasses and it's like the words are coming out two words. Parang naduduling ako. So guys, there are lots of dates here. Pero wala silang ka-date. Mga dates na walang ka-date, guys. Ano ba yan? Alam niyo, hindi ko makita dito kung saan ako sa cellphone na to, hindi ko makita kung saan ako ang tawag doon. Ako, hindi lumalabas yung words. Yung highlights, hindi ko makita yung highlights dito sa phone na to. Ano daw? Sis Kat, yung mga dates na walang ka-date. O, diba? O, saan ka pa?